Hi guys, for today's video, it is called Java Plum. Java Plum or Lomboy. Lomboy, it is called in the Philippines Lomboy. So my mother-in-law bring me this Java Plum or Lomboy in my country. This is called in the Philippines Lomboy. Ang Bisaya. So guys, I just try the Lomboy. Eat guys, Lomboy. You know, it's more good. I'm living with my Indian mother-in-law. That's how she loves me. In the Philippines, you need to climb this Java Plum. I think gooseberry, no? I don't know. Lomboy na lang, guys. See, we speak English, no? I try my best to speak with you guys English. Don't know I think Java Plum, no? Maraming guys. Ano guys? May lalim ang Pilipina kay plato gilong. I'm flat nose, but I'm beautiful. In and out. God bless God. Thank you, Lord. Ngayon sa ta guys. Mukha pa ni guys. Pagkato na ka. Ito guys. Kato mga may lumboy guys. Tangat asin. Agmay pa ni guys. Ay dagko man no. Ano to guys. Third time. Ngayon taglumboy guys.